Hi, this is Thomas K4SWL here. I just finished an activation right before it started pouring rain here on Mount Mitchell, which is pretty normal for Mount Mitchell, to be honest. Yeah, and so I was putting up this. I've got the res antenna, and I've got the 4 counterpoises that are 31 feet long. And I mentioned in an earlier video that they have theirs coiled up, I think, in an under-over method in order to deploy them. I tend to use a figure 8 method, but this is coiled as an over-under, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that in case you haven't done it before. It's actually very easy. I'm gonna get my camera person to help me here. So basically, you start it, and it can be a little weird. This has got some memory in it. But basically, you do 1 over, and then you do 1 under like this. Let me move this out of the way so it's not in the way. So 1 over, 1 under. 1 over, 1 under. You get a little faster at it. I'm not as fast at this as I am, doing a figure 8, but it actually works pretty well, except this, this line has a bit of memory in it, which is making it a little weirder to do. So 1 over, 1 under. 1 over, 1 under. And this will take a while because there's quite a bit of a line here, but I'll show you after I'm done how you can then throw it and it won't tangle. 1 over, 1 under. So you just twist it under like that. 1 over, twist it under, 1 under. 1 over, 1 under. Now, I've got this complete. Let me show you how quick it is to deploy when you do that, if I've done this correctly. All you do now, let's see, let me show you out here. I'll just take this and throw it, and the whole thing comes out. So it comes out all at once. It doesn't tangle. It never will tangle if you do that properly. And that makes it super easy to deploy. Now the same thing if you're doing the figure 8 method, which looks more like this. I'll do that. I like it because it's fast, but it does put a lot more bends in it. And since this is going to be returned back to res antenna, just on loan, I'm going to keep doing their over-under method. So yeah, hope that helps you. Thank you so much again. Take care, and until next time, 7 threes.